In this video, we would like to take you through the very complex subject of remote access in the context of your agency's software management system. When attempting to work off-site, there are three basic approaches: taking a local copy to an off-site system, subscribing to off-site hosting services, or our online management system Agency2Go, or utilizing third-party remote software to set the in-house workstation as a host. There are benefits and drawbacks to each one of these approaches. The first option is to move a copy of the program to an off-site machine, such as a laptop, which we refer to as a standalone copy. You have the option of moving the existing data or installing a blank copy, but this standalone copy does count as one of your licensed seats. While having this copy may be helpful if you are traveling to places without an internet connection, the drawback is that the new data entered cannot be remerged into the Office copy. This option is best for single-user systems, where you can, upon return, simply move the data back, overlaying the unchanged Office data. The next option is to utilize a hosting service. EasyAgent and Agency Pro customers have the option to subscribe to an affiliate cloud vendor, EME Cloud, who has worked extensively to design a hosting service to support the many-faceted functionality of these products. You may entertain setting up your own remote server using an option such as terminal services. The configuration of such solutions must be accomplished by an experienced technician, taking into account our technical requirements and integrations that you may need on the same platform, such as email or printing services. These hosting solutions are not valid options for our EasyApps or EasyApps Pro customers, as the product is not licensed to be hosted over wide area networks. For agencies not needing accounting, our online management system Agency2Go may be a great solution, and much of the data in your existing product can convert over. However, both of these options are reliant on a strong internet connection, can take some time to implement, may be expensive, and can be inconvenient when trying to integrate your locally installed software solutions. If you are interested in subscribing to EME Cloud or Agency2Go, please contact your agency software account rep. The final option we cover here, and the most basic and economical option, is to utilize remote software solutions. There are many third-party vendors who specialize in providing remote access to a local host. You may have dealt with our tech support team in the past and experienced this software in play. Our support team uses various methods, as some are more effective than others in certain environments. Because security in the Windows environment is constantly changing, we cannot recommend one vendor over the other. For recommendations, refer to your local technician or continue on to the next video to see how to implement today one or more of these utilities.